Good morning. Our lesson today: collect and organize data. Firstly, the meaning of survey. A survey is a method of gathering information about a group. Surveys are usually made up of questions or other items that require responses. You can survey the population. What's the meaning of population? The entire group of individuals or objects, such as all teenagers, or if the population is large, you can survey a part of the group called sample, and the sample must be represent the population. What is the meaning of random sample? A random sample is a sample in which each individual or object in the given population has an equal chance of being selected. For example, if I want give prize to one of the class, I choose one randomly from the list. Example number 1. A fruit juice company wants to survey children ages 10 to 14, tell whether each sample represents the population. If it doesn't, explain. A random sample of 100 children. This sample not represents the population. No. Why? Because here the children may be not ages 10 to 14. Because we want the children represent the population must be ages 10 to 14. B a random sample of 100 children ages 10 to 14. This sample represents the population, children ages 10 to 14. C a random sample of 100 children at one school. This also not represent the population, because here the sample ignore the children not in this school. We have another children in other schools. Exercise number 2. A toy company wants to find out if children ages 8 to 12 like the company's new action figures. Tell whether each sample represents the population. If it doesn't, explain. A random sample of 300 girls ages 8 to 12. This sample not represent the population, because here we want children ages 8 to 12, and the children here contains boys and girls. This one not sample because will not represent the population, because the sample ignore the boys ages 8 to 12. B a random sample of 300 adults. This also not represent the population, because the sample must be contains children ages 8 to 12, not adults. C a random sample of 300 children ages 8 to 12. This represents the population, because here it contains children ages 8 to 12. This is the end of our lesson. Thanks.